Dr. Anthony Fauci says the coronavirus vaccine could be available by early next year. In the meantime, the medical community exploring possible drug treatments. 41 Extras reporter Dan Cohen tells us about one drug gaining traction right now.
This is not the total answer by any means, but it's a very important first step.
That first step, described by Dr. Anthony Fauci towards a potential COVID-19 treatment, is remdesivir. The drug is showing promise in clinical trials as a defense against the coronavirus.
What remdesivir does is that remdesivir basically halts the replication of that RNA synthesis, and therefore it halts the virus from replicating further in the body.
It is maybe favorable for improving your time to recovery, so 15 days versus 11 days.
Clinical trials continue to move forward for remdesivir and other drug treatments for the novel coronavirus, but doctors say there are drawbacks to moving quickly.
There's always that balance of pushing ahead to try to find something to help people who are ill now, with sort of waiting for the usual science and outcomes that we have in place as safety mechanisms for when new medications come to the market.
While doctors welcome some good news, they say it's not the last headline.
It's not like a silver bullet. It's not something that is just clears the virus from the body.
Remdesivir trials are not currently taking place in the metro, but our local experts are watching it closely.
It's really based on your site and the disease incidence at your location on how they've sort of allocated that medication. So I think from our standpoint, we would, continue to see what happens with further use.
Doctors are preaching patience as they urgently search for solutions. In Kansas City, Dan Cohen, 41 Action News.